Hi guys, I'm Sheelaa and Bajaj, and we're doing a video series on different herbs. And I promise that I'm going to teach you how to attract money with, a candle ritual. So basically, you're going to get yourself a green candle. Make sure it's a smokeless candle. You need to spray this candle with some kind of alcohol. You can get the BMR spray at our online store. You can spray it with the BMR spray. That's the best thing to do. Some people can also, keep it in the BMR salt, but otherwise just use sanitizer, use alcohol. It should cleanse your candle, okay? Because candle also absorbs energies. So you want to get yourself a green candle. Now on the candle, you want to write whatever amount of money you want to attract, okay? Now this ritual is done during the waxing phase of the moon, which is now after new moon. You can do the next day after new moon. All right, so you can be watching this video anytime. You can look at when is new moon, go on Google, figure out when is new moon, and the next day after new moon for the next 14 days still full moon, and on full moon. This is a fabulous thing to do. So write down how much money you want to attract, okay? And we spoke about cinnamon and how you're going to use cinnamon. So you're going to get yourself either cinnamon oil, or you're just going to get cinnamon crush. You can get cinnamon powder. You get a really good brand called Kea, Sri Lankan cinnamon. I love the energy of that cinnamon, not the taste, but the energy of it. Now get that cinnamon powder. If you don't have oil, just get that Kea cinnamon powder, put it in olive oil and hold. I again don't have a candle to show you, so I'm gonna just show you, like, let's say this is the candle, right? So I'm so unprepared for videos. So you're going to write down what you attract, okay? You're going to hold the candle like this. This is the wick, okay? Let's say my hand is the candle. This is the wick. And I'm going to write down, inscribe with a needle or whatever, usually a porcupine needle, but you don't really get them and they're illegal. So you can just inscribe it with a needle. And then you take cinnamon, put it in olive oil or cinnamon oil itself, and you anoint it coming towards you, okay? Simple, super simple. Write what money you want to attract, super simple. Anoint it coming towards you, okay? And anoint it like this. Don't do this. And then you burn it. Nothing like doing it in the Temple of Miracles, because the same candle magic that we actually have a course in candle magic, guys. So we have a brilliant advanced course in candle magic. What I teach you is very, very chiller, okay? But the whole candle magic, like as a subject, is taught on my online academy. So click on the link below. You can join the academy group. It's a Telegram group. I love Telegram. Join that academy link and you can do the course. But if you just want to do this and try it out, try it for 14 days after new moon, not on new moon. New moon is the day you get rid of stuff, so you don't want to get rid of your money. So after new moon, you're going to start doing this for 14 days till full moon. You will start noticing money flows changing. Then do the class, and you can also light the green candle at the Temple of Miracles. It's the first Yoruba temple in India. And there's a form. I'm going to post the links in the description. Make sure you look at it, and do subscribe to this channel. Share it with people. Abundance and prosperity comes to people who share it, like, unconditionally. Share it because you want to spread prosperity with others, along with others as well. You want to share the abundance that you're receiving. So if you've chanced upon this video, share it with others. And like the video, comment, tell me what you experienced. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you want to learn candle magic, click on the link below and learn it from my facilitators in my organization. Now all the readers, all the facilitators in my organization are trained and mentored by me. So it's like me, I have cloned myself into these guys, and you can get a consult or do a class with them. It's all my material. It's all my teaching downloaded into them. I have cloned myself into them, and that's how they teach whatever they teach. All the material is, vetted by me, created by me. So it's like you're learning from me. Okay? Bye guys. I love you. Happy money creation.